Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to look at this cue card. Describe a movie you would like to watch again. You should say when you saw this movie, with whom you saw this movie, what the movie is about, and why do you want to watch this movie again. So before we begin, we are going to look at some of the words that we will be using in this cue card. So first word is movie buff. Movie buff means a person who loves to watch movies, then we can call that person a movie buff. Next word is flick. Flick is a synonym of movie. Another word is infotainment. Infotainment means any show or movie which is a source of both knowledge and entertainment. Next word is grapple. Grapple means struggle. Another word is cramming. Cramming or rote learning means trying to learn concepts without understanding for an upcoming exam. In Punjabi, cramming or rote learning means ratta lagana. Next word is strain. Strain means stress. Next word is mediocre. Mediocre means average. Next word is persuade. Persuade means force. Another word is futile. Futile means useless. Next word is unorthodox. Unorthodox means uncommon. Another word is comprehend. Comprehend means understand. Next word is crucial. Crucial means important. So without wasting time, let's begin. I am not a movie buff, but I love to watch comedy flicks as I get rid of tensions and worries. Here I would like to talk about a movie which I like to watch again and again. It is Three Idiots. This movie is a source of infotainment. I watched this movie with my friends in cinema when it was released. This movie is based on the life of students who are grappling with stress when they are forced to opt for difficult courses by their parents. Rancho, who is the main character of the movie, is the most intelligent student of a college. He believes that it is crucial to understand the concepts rather than cramming. He has two friends, Farhan and Raju. They are mediocre students and they are used to rote learning. Both of his friends are persuaded by their parents to do engineering course as this field offers lucrative salaries. Rancho tries to explain them it is futile to study if you do not comprehend the concepts. Rancho irritates his teachers and principal by giving creative and unorthodox answers. He has a habit of giving demo of everything which makes movie even more interesting. During his study, one of the students of college commits suicide as teacher did not give him an extension for assignment and that student was busy in making a new machine. Rancho blames teachers for his death and puts forward his opinion that colleges should welcome innovative and creative skills of students. Overall, this movie is an eye-opener for parents who pressurize their children. Students can also get an inspiration from this movie that they should follow their dreams. Giving up is never an option, and students should look beyond their ordinary life. So, this is the movie I never get bored from. So that's it for this session. If you find this video useful, then please share it with your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching and have a good day.